your girl got her together. I'm not gonna fake like I didn't, because I did. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Canon Collection. They sent me this unit and some products to review for you guys. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make a too small wig work on a big head. So if you want to see how I got this unit from A to Slay, make sure you keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Canon Collection. The link to my wig as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed in my description box. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. This is what we're working with today. This is from the Canon Collection Melt series. Let me open it up. Cut my card off. This is TIVA. I got it in the color number 2. She looks kind of cute. She reminds me a little bit of linen. She comes with an HD 360 lace with a 13x6 frontal. That basically means there's just lace all the way around the wig. Now, when it comes to that back part, it may not be plucked. It may not be, you know, the best situation back there, but you know, okay, they're gonna give you a bunch of stuff. This unit does come in natural and special colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. If you are someone who is a beginner to wigs, don't go spending your money on a bunch of human hair wigs and then be mad when you can't style it. These come pre-styled. The curls are already there, and guess what? They're not going nowhere. Through tangling and shedding, the curls will be there. The curls will be there. Woo! I was nervous at first. You know they'd be flipping them cards, but it's the right side part, because I'm a right side girl. Yeah, that's that 360 lace, okay? It just gives you lace all the way around the wig. Let's check that back real quick. It's not really plucked, and it doesn't really give you space to pluck it. This wig is $35, so shush. That's what the front is looking like. I may need to pluck some of that out. I feel like it may be a little heavy. You get a 13x6 frontal. Anywhere you see lace like this, that's where you can part the wig. So it comes in a right side part, but you can easily flip it to a left, or a center, or a diagonal, a crisscross, whatever. It does come with the combs on the side as well as the comb in the back with the adjustable straps and an attached elastic band. These wigs normally run small on me. Y'all know my head is big every day. Gang 23. I may need to loosen that strap or just cut it out altogether. I don't know yet. Had my little TWA, teeny weeny afro. You know how long it took me to understand that's what that meant? I had no idea. This is gonna be a very quick install. I'm taking myself out on a little day date. Just me, myself, and that man's debit card. Yeah. So I'm gonna use my makeup powder to tint my lace. Unfortunately, I dropped this and it broke, so I need to get a new one. I'm using the Black Radiant Soft Focus powder in the color Creamy Bronze. That's a press powder. Get the rest of that around. The wig doesn't smell. It smells like Janet. You know, it smells like a factory. So I'm gonna use some of my hair perfume. This is from Esha, which is by Janet. I gotta hurry. I don't care to be all neat on the back because ain't nobody gonna see it. There's some little baby hairs in the back, so you know you can use them. I'm gonna loosen the band a little bit just to make sure it's gonna fit. Come on, get over. Get over. Okay, that is not big at all. That's not gonna work. I'm just gonna cut out my band, which I'm pretty sure I've done on my other Canon Collection wigs. The earlier ones I feel like ran a little bit bigger, but you know, I could be wrong. The adjustable straps in the back, I'm gonna take those off. I need all the space I can get. I can't be walking around concussed when I'm trying to be cute. No. One more again. Is my hair that poofy under here? Goodness. Let me clip this up and then I can see what's going on. I mean, are you trying to tell me that I have too much hair? The front is definitely giving forehead and it's not pulling down all the way on my sides. I'm gonna have to spray it down. Let's pull out some of this hair right here. Just a tad bit. Brush that out. This is really sliding back. Yeah, my hair is pretty flat under here, so it shouldn't be doing all this. Where's the stretch, Janet? Small head girls need love too, but golly, can we at least get one big head wig? Just uno wigo. All right, let's just cut this lace off. Maybe that'll loosen it up a bit. Yeah, that's really short. Ooh, I'm not even gonna worry about pulling it down in the back because right now she's not going. I'm gonna use my favorite spray, the Esha Melt and Slay Daily Lace Spray. This is the ultimate hold. Use my little swirly method. Let me just pull it up in the back. I'm not even gonna try to force it down. I'm gonna try to blend in my edges with this unit. Hold up. Eco Styler on my edges. Make sure I hide that lace part. Don't need that showing. Matching my edges with the wig. So that's the wig, that's me. How am I trying to style it? I don't know yet. Okay, I'm gonna take my blow dryer on warm, and I'm gonna flatten the top out. This unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Don't use over that, okay? Because it will melt. As you saw, I did go in and lengthen some of the curls as well, just because they were a little bit too tight. I'm gonna take some bobby pins. I'm gonna hold this down back here, just to make sure it doesn't flip off my head at any given time. Open up that parting space. I'm gonna put a little bit of spray right here to hold this down. I'm gonna pin it so it stays. Take my contour shade. This is my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Catsina. I'm just gonna tap that around my edge to blend that in. Because the lace is so light, I need to color correct it properly, which calls for a darker tint. My forehead is on display today. And I'm gonna take that same color and tint my parting space using a flat brush. One thing about Janet Collection, they will give you a meltable lace. I think I want to cut my bang just a smidge. Just cut some of that off. Some of these pieces are just too long. There's a little bit of my wax stick just to lay down flyaways. Before I finish, I'm gonna tease up some of the hair, give it a little bit more thickness. You see what I'm saying? It's too thin looking. Just like that. I don't care about tangles. I don't care. I'm just going for the looks at this point. This section right here. I feel like there's a lot of weight in my bang. Let me try to move this around a little bit. Bring that down. I believe that is it for the look. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. Compared to the card, I think I got her close to this style. The main issue that I have with this wig is the cap being too small. It's way too small for this to be wearable for any big head girl out the pack. Now you can do the tips and tricks that I showed you to get my wig together, but if you don't have edges and you have a big head, it's just not gonna work. I didn't get no tangling or shedding out the pack with this unit. My edges are a little crinkly because you know my hair is natural. The teasing up the hair to make it thicker, thank you. I wish the curls were a little bit looser. They're real pent up. Be calm, but you know, your girl got her together. I'm not gonna fake like I didn't, because I did. It's just that it didn't take me no 10 minutes. They also sent me the mousse, so I could actually have used the mousse to lay down my flyaways. So if you don't have these, go ahead and get these. You know, the final look is cute. It's definitely giving prim and proper. I have a beret that I've been wanting to wear, and this may actually look cute with that. Right in here. Yeah. Shout out one more time to Janet Collection for sending me this unit and these products. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit as well as my products down below, so if you guys want to check them out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.